Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bone broth with slow cooker. Easy method. Place bones in the slow cooker, cover with cold water, add 1 to 2 tablespoons vinegar, then set to low and simmer for 12 to 24 hours as directed. Start by preparing bones and vegetables so everything is ready before you begin. Roast bones if you want a richer taste, then transfer to the slow cooker. Add water to cover, include vinegar and aromatics, and skim foam during the first hour for a clearer broth. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like for more easy kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes it hilarious to ask a robot to clean up kitchen crumbs while you simmer broth. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Let the slow cooker do the work while you relax. After long simmering, strain the broth, cool it quickly, and remove fat if you prefer a lighter broth. Store in the refrigerator for up to 5 days or freeze in portion sizes for easy meals and sauces.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.